In this quick video, I'll show you how I bake the most delicious and healthiest salmon. For this recipe, you will need salmon, sweet potato, onion, lemon, olive oil, 1 or 2 smashed garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, chili pepper, and saffron, which is a key part of Persian cooking. Mix the condiments with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and smashed garlic to make a sauce. Place the salmon, sweet potato, and onions in a Pyrex dish, then pour the sauce over everything. Cover with foil and bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. In the last 15 minutes, remove the foil so the salmon gets nicely roasted. Adjust the baking time to your taste. And that's it! Healthy, simple, and absolutely delicious salmon. This salmon is one of my top recommended meals as a nutritionist.